My name is Amanda, and today I am reading Someday by Eileen Spinelli, illustrated by Rosie Winstead. My daughter loves this book. I had to share it with you. Someday I'm going to be a great artist. I will wear a blue smock. I will carry my paints to the beach to paint the sea. A very rich person will offer to buy my painting for $2 million. But I will smile, and I will say, I'm sorry, this painting is not for sale. It is a gift from my art teacher. Someday. Today I am off to help my dad paint the shed. Green. It's where I keep my bike. I just might paint that too. Someday I will make friends with a dolphin. I will call her Wilma. Wilma will let me climb on her back. We will speed across the water. We will sail beside tall ships. We will dip under the waves. I will ask Wilma to tell me all the secrets of the sea, and she will. Someday. Right now I am shaking fish food flakes into the bowl where my pet goldfish Pumpkin lives. Pumpkin darts in and out of his pink castle. He blows tiny bubbles, but he doesn't talk to me. Maybe goldfish don't have secrets to tell. Someday I will dig for dinosaur bones, deep in a field where once a farmer grew corn and chickens scratched. I will find the bones of a T-Rex. The farmer will faint with surprise. Reporters from the TV station will bring their cameras and microphones. I will be on the evening news someday. Today I am digging for coins under the sofa cushions. Quarters, dimes, nickels, enough for a popsicle. Someday I will be invited to the White House to have lunch with the president. He will want my ideas on world peace. I will wear white gloves and a hat with a rose pinned to it. I will bring the president a box of golf balls. The White House waiter will pour tea. I will eat my salad carefully, no spills on the rug. In the meantime, I am having lunch with my brother Roger. Roger talks with his mouth full. He slurps his milk. He burps. I don't think Roger will ever be invited to the White House. Someday I will be an animal scientist. I will travel to the South Pole. I will count macaroni penguins, all 5 million of them. I will take a very, very long time. My hair will turn gray. I will return home to a ticker tape parade. 5 million people will cheer. Someday. Right now, my hair is still brown, and it's jelly beans I'm counting. 10 for my little brother Roger, 11 for me. 1 extra for the counter. He doesn't look too happy about that. Someday I am going to be a gymnast at the Olympics. I will tumble and twirl across the mat. I will leap into the air as gracefully as any ballerina. The judges will swoon with delight. I'll win the gold medal someday. Look at that, a perfect 10. As for today, I am practicing cartwheels in the backyard. Look out! Splat! Do they make medals out of mud? Someday I will spend the night in Egypt. I will ride a camel in the silvery dark. I will feel the cool desert breeze as I climb down from the camel's back. I will take my frog print pajamas from my overnight bag and put them on behind a thorn bush. I will lie next to the pyramid in the bright moonlight. I will dream of golden palaces and pointy-eared cats someday. Tonight I'm sleeping on the bottom bunk with Roger, who is afraid of the monsters and the dark. I think he forgot to brush his teeth. His breath smells like a camel's. I turn toward the open window where the night sky glitters with stars. Quietly, Mom and Dad come into our room to tuck us in. Mom kisses our foreheads. When they leave, I go to my window. I see two baby owls perched on the branch of the tree. I think they are going to fly for the first time. In the dark, I smile right now. I hope you enjoyed this book as much as I did. I'm here at the Tea Grotto in Salt Lake. The tea shop isn't opened yet, and it's a beautiful atmosphere to sit and read books. Enjoy your day.